guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making crispy chicken legs or drumsticks in our Ninja Foodi grill. You guys, it's a quick, simple, easy recipe that you can make right in the Ninja Foodi grill or your XL. If you have the XL, you'll be able to fit more across. With the actual grill, you may need to shake the air fryer basket or alternate or flip a lot more often, as they will need to be stacked, or you can cook in batches, whichever you prefer. But with the XL, you're able to cook all along with 8 legs at one time. So you guys, super easy. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and let me know in the comments what you guys want me to make next. I'm looking for ideas of what I can try in the Ninja Foodi grill, and if you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have the links for those items, but let's get started. Alright, so to get started, what you're going to want are 8 drumsticks. I just got this family pack of bone-in frying chicken drumsticks from the market, and they were about $4.44 for just about 3 pounds of the chicken legs. Then you're also going to want 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then a teaspoon of pepper. And you're also going to need about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You don't have to use avocado oil. You can use another high smoking point oil, but that's what we're using today. And then I have my gloves here ready to go, because we're going to start by adding our drumsticks to the bowl, and we are going to add our seasoning and the oil. So let's get started. Oh, before we do that, we want to mix our seasonings together. So I'm just adding them all to one bowl, all of our dry seasonings, and just mix it all together. Alright, now we can get our drumsticks. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start with adding our oil spray. You want to add about 2 teaspoons of oil. And get that spread all around underneath the skin of the chicken here. Get underneath. That way the seasonings stick really well and it gets crispy everywhere. So we're going to do this for all of them. Just doing baby sprays here for underneath the skin, around the skin here, and that last one. There we go. But just about 2 tablespoons should suffice. It's not too much. Now we're going to add our seasoning, and I'll just add a little bit. You're going to want to rub on the skin, under the skin, all over, so don't be afraid to get in there. And I'm actually going to add more seasoning here. Bring that bottom layer up. Alright, so we'll do this for all of them, and we'll be back. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and preheat our grill. We're going to select air crisp, 390 degrees. We'll do preset there. And then 165. And we can select start. Now inside I am using my roasting rack. If you only have the air crisper basket, feel free to use the air crisper basket. I'm just using this because I have 8 chicken legs and it should fit in the basket, but I want to make sure that it really circulates the air, so I am using the roasting rack. And once it's ready, we will get that set up where we add the temperature probe to the chicken legs and add our chicken legs. So what we're gonna do is open our grill, of course, and let me bring this around. Okay, so we want to choose chicken leg. That's just about the smallest, and then you're gonna want to insert the thermometer probe towards the center. And oh, there I go. Maybe we should do it this way. Sorry, guys. You want it at the juiciest part of the chicken. So right here you have two sensors, at the top and in the middle. So you want it to hit the center so that it can do a dual temperature and make sure it gives you the accurate reading that you want. And I don't have my gloves on, so that's why I'm a little hesitant, but there we go. Alright. And then we'll add our other legs in here. Now for that large one, that's where we'll insert the thermometer probe after. We'll have to switch it once the thermometer probe tells us that it's done. For this one, we can put it in the bigger ones after. But Ninja does suggest placing the thermometer probe in the smallest one so that you don't overcook the smaller ones and undercook the other ones. So you want to start with the smallest one so you're not overcooking it and then switching it to another chicken leg. So that's what we'll do, and we'll be back. We're going to flip it at the halfway point. Alright, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and flip it. See how golden and crispy they are already. Just going to flip it. Alright, we'll be back. So now we have that message to take the food out and allow it to rest. And what I'm going to do is actually bring out my little silicone midden here. Flip that, sorry guys. Let's see. Alright, where is my other thermometer? Here it is. I just want to test it. And make sure, you want to make sure it reaches 165 degrees. Alright, so the other camera died, but what I did here is I moved the thermometer into the larger one, and we're just going to finish it off here. All I did was turn it on, select air crisp again, and to bypass preheat, you're going to select start and then select preheat. A function will come up that says preheat. When you select preheat, it'll bypass that and tell you to add the food. So now we'll just wait on this large one to reach 165 and we'll be back. So now we have that notice there. Go ahead and pull out our thermometer probe. It's popping everywhere, you guys. Alright. This way. Alright, and there we have it. We have our delicious chicken legs made right in the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. You guys, it fit 8 chicken legs all across, no problem, and perfect all around. Look at that, delicious. Now I had to switch my camera, so I'm not able to zoom in on the quality with this camera, but you guys, super easy. I love the thermometer probe. It's very accurate. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys have a great night.